haircut, do you ever wonder what you'd look like with a completely different hairstyle? Well, try this. Take a photograph of yourself that's quite face-on, so you're looking at the camera. I think I'll use that one. And then take a piece of really thin drawing paper, or better still, tracing paper. Well, you can use greaseproof paper for this. And then simply trace your face. And the idea is to just draw around the shape of your face, but leave out your hair. When it comes to your hairline, just draw around the hairline. It's just the shape of your face you're looking for. And then cut that head shape out so you have something that looks like that. And then place that onto a piece of white paper and then use it as a template to draw the shape of your head onto the white paper. So what you're looking for really is a drawing of the shape of your face, but without any hair on it. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to draw a new hairstyle on it. Or better still, if you draw several head shapes onto your drawing paper, we can design several new hairstyles. So, okay, I'm going to start with a new hairstyle for myself that's quite radical. It's quite outrageous. I've always wondered what I'd look like with really curly hair. And this is a lot cheaper than getting a perm that goes wrong. Oh, I don't know about this. Look at this. That's looking a bit like it's looking a bit like a tennis player, isn't it? I'm not sure whether I'm keen on that. Okay, let's move on to this one. What about something a little bit shorter? You know, sort of pop stars style, where it's slightly feathered around there like that. You've got these little layers here. I bet that looks pretty good. Okay, let's try a couple of other ones. What about one of these longer hairstyles where a lot of pop stars wear these hairstyles as well, where the hair's really flicked over the fringe like that. Or maybe something really crazy. Oh, I know. Oh, you laugh at this one, look at this. What about a good old-fashioned punk hairstyle? Actually, that is quite old-fashioned now, isn't it? You know, where they gel the hair up on the top like that. Or maybe even something really crazy. Oh, I know. What about a heavy rocker hairstyle where it's really long at the top there? And don't laugh too much at this one, because I used to have very long hair like this when I was at school, because I thought one day I was going to be a rock star. I'll tell you something else you could try. If you go into a fancy dress party, you could always try a fancy dress hairstyle on yourself to see what you'd look like at the party. Just a bit of a clown hairstyle there. And then when you've done that, colour the hairstyles in. In fact, you could give yourself a different hair colour and cut that face shape out in the middle. And then it's just a case of placing your photograph down and trying on your new hairstyles. Ah, look at that! I don't know about a tennis player. That looks like a hairdresser, doesn't it? Oh, I don't like that. Let's get rid of that. What about the pop star look? Looks more like a footballer to me, that. Okay, try this. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's not bad. That quite suits me, doesn't it? Don't know about the colour, though. It's more gingery than my hair. Mind you, if you think that colour doesn't suit me, what do you think of this? The pink punk. Who said it suits you? Here, tell you what, I think this one really does suit me. Look at this. Yeah, and don't laugh, because I really did have hair that long when I was at school. And let's try on the fancy dress one. Let's see that. Yeah, that's quite good as well. Try it yourself. Give yourself a completely new hairstyle with a hairstyle identikit.
哦，对，设计出自己的发型来，真是又酷又炫的设计啊！在你要剪掉头发之前，先用自己的照片试试看，不同的发型下你是什么样子。觉得我这个发型怎么样？我认为这个发型真的很迷人啊！